What's up guys? Stephen Condon here and welcome back to the Bossman Brands YouTube channel. Today I have a very special video for you guys and a very innovative product that we're really proud of. It's 100% out of the beard and mustache and we're ready to let the cat out of the bag. And what's it called? Colotion. Yep, I trademarked the word and just like it sounds, it's a cologne-based lotion. We call it an aromatic lotion for men. But instead of those colognes that you're spraying all alcohol-based crap all over you, which is super expensive, it's not good for your skin. So instead of that, what we did, we used all essential oils and we upped the scent and put it in a really nice lotion for you. So it's shea butters and coconut oils and it just feels amazing on your skin and the scent just lasts way longer than your normal cologne. So it's just like lotion. You just put it on your neck, your arms, your chest, wherever you want to smell good. It traps onto your skin really well and on your arm hairs, on your chest hairs and everything. For some reason, it just stays on so long. So you get so much more value out of it. One of these only costs $14.95. It comes in 3 good scents. I think you can get all 3 for $35. So this is the first scent. It's called Royal Oud. It's an oud wood. If you like oud wood scents, they're amazing. I have a vetiver scent. It's a real nice, clean scent. And then we have the Gatsby. It's an old school, nice, sharp, tight scent. All 3 for $35. Check this out, guys. We're really proud of this product, and I think it's gonna blow up. So thanks again for tuning into our YouTube channel. Stephen Condon here, guys. BossmanBrand.com. Peace.